Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick Roundhill Roundup so you can get on your way and look at something else tonight or Saturday or Sunday or whenever you watch it. So Roundhill announced distributions this week and you can read distributions. That's why I didn't do the video on Wednesday. So let's compare my numbers compared to their numbers. Bam! Up on the screen. Look pretty close. Remember, this is a video from 2 weeks ago. All it is. Those are the numbers I had 2 weeks ago. So let's talk about next week. Next week. Here's the numbers. Bam! All right. You see what the projections are for next week? Plus or minus. Take it as it is. These are the numbers. This is what they made in premiums. What did they do this week? I don't know. What did they do this week? Throw their hands up in the air. Bam! There's the numbers, guys. Those are the numbers. That is for 2 weeks from now. Let me make sure everybody, 2 weeks from now. Because somebody's going to ask a question. I'm just making sure that I speak slow enough for them to get it. RDTE. What's the numbers look like? Here's the calls. They missed 2 this week. Can't have them all, but it is what it is. Take it as it is. You saw the numbers. XDTE. Bam! There's the numbers. Only missed on Monday. It is what it is. Looks good. You can see how I came up with the numbers. Moving on. qdte. What do they do? Bam! There's the numbers. You got the numbers. So in 3 minutes or less, you got the numbers for the week, saw the call, saw the strikes, saw the profit loss, and you're on your way. So hopefully you like this video. Just real quick, you see the numbers, see the calls. It is what it is. You see how far they're out of the money, see the profit loss, see the strikes. qdte, they made all the calls this week. 3 minutes or less. Until next time. God bless.